In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Spotify aesthetic in Canva. If you love the clean, moody look of Spotify and want that same vibe for your social posts, stories, or promos, this walkthrough will make it easy, even if you're brand new to Canva. Start by heading to the main Canva dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Templates. This is where Canva keeps thousands of professionally designed layouts you can use as a starting point, which saves a ton of time and helps you stay on brand visually. At the top of the templates page, use the search bar and type Spotify. You'll instantly see a variety of ready-made designs inspired by that signature style, including options for Instagram stories, square posts, and more. Take a moment to scan the results and pick a format that matches where you'll be posting. For example, choose a story layout if you're planning a vertical design, or a square post if you're going to share it in a feed. Hover over a few to preview the look and feel before you commit. Once you find a design you like, click it to open the preview page, then select Customize this template. Canva will spin up a copy just for you, so you can freely edit without altering the original. Now you're in the editor, and this is where the fun begins. Modify your post by swapping in your own text, images, and colors. For a true Spotify vibe, keep backgrounds dark. Think charcoal or deep black, and use a bold accent color sparingly, like a vibrant green or a subtle gradient. Replace placeholder images with album art, artist photos, or playlist covers by clicking on an image and choosing Replace, or by dragging in your own uploads. Keep your typography clean and modern with a simple sans serif font, and pay attention to hierarchy. Make titles larger, subtitles medium, and supporting details smaller for a polished look. If the template includes icons like play, pause, or a progress bar, you can fine-tune them for balance. If you want to add more visual cues, open the Elements panel and search for simple line icons that match the minimalist style. Stick to high contrast for legibility, and maintain generous spacing so everything feels intentional and easy to read. As you refine, check alignment using Canva's smart guides and make sure the design fits the platform's dimensions you chose at the start. When you're happy with the result, you're done. You've transformed a template into a cohesive Spotify-inspired aesthetic that's ready to make your content stand out.